Today is May 1st, which is International Female Ride Day, and I joined a Lita's group for today, a Lita's ride, and we're doing the ride from Woodland Hills to Ojai. And I just got off the exit. Should be there like right here, right around the corner, basically. I was like so confused, like, where's this place? Super confused.
I just wanted to mention that I had a lot of anxiety before leaving for this ride. I couldn't eat, I was too nervous. I kept feeling like I needed to use the bathroom. I had butterflies, I was clammy. I was really going through it. But once I had got off the freeway, I felt a little better, but the GPS kind of threw me off. So I had pulled over to the side of the road, and like some magic, the universe heard my call and Ananda pulled up next to me.
Hey! Oh, I'm so sorry. Ah.
Looking for the Lita's meetup?
Yeah, is it in there?
No idea. I think so.
Wait, Ananda! Yeah. What's up, man?
I met Ananda at one of the Los Angeles motor rides a few weeks ago I posted about. She drives a cafe racer and does awesome photography. If you're watching this, Ananda, thank you so much. You have no idea how much it helped my anxiety that you pulled up next to me and I realized I knew someone else at this ride. And thank you so much for sending me those awesome pictures of Mojo. I'll have her link down in the description below. Make sure to give her a follow.
Alright, the main guy of the hour.
Oh, you didn't see a photo of that?
Hell yeah.
That's right, Mojo, a male, crashed International Female Ride Day, and we put down 174 miles together. Mojo did amazing. Everyone loved him.
What is up, Vault Dwellers? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are on a Lita's ride today. Mojo is with us. It is International Female Ride Day today, and Mojo is crashing the party. There's about like 16, 17 people. We're gonna be doing some canyons and we're riding back roads to Ojai. So it's gonna be like a 2-3 hour ride, yo. To be here, guys. Just stopped at this little Ojai, the valley. We're gonna take off. We got like 15 minutes to our reservation. Mojo's been chilling with us. At the lodge now. Mojo is here. The trooper had a good ride.
Well, we're about to eat. Let me just like quickly show everybody real quick.
I really just ordered it. Thank you. And then I have lavender.
Oh, it's my phone. I'm sorry. It's my notification.
We were like, what the hell?
Sorry. What is up, guys? Mojo and I are here at the Oak Lodge, I think it's called. The Deer Lodge in Ojai. And I ordered a pulled pork grilled cheese sandwich with fries. So hopefully that's good. I was trying to see if Mojo needed to pee, but no, he doesn't. We're just gonna go back. And then there's some helmets in here. We got our helmets right here. This is what it's like inside. Here the back. That's all our helmets. Alright. Are you getting text? No, I'm like, please see on my Mojo and I had a good ride. What do you think? Did you like it? So he was out most of the time and it got a bit windy, so he tucked himself in. When we came out after this picture that I'll put up, he was tucked in and then he stayed out.
So that was the Lita's ride. We just finished eating and we are on our way back. It's about like an hour and I don't know, 20-minute ride back, but it's gonna be longer than that, I think, because we're gonna break off eventually. So we're just gonna follow here until we get to some freeway and then we're gonna guys, so we're about to get to the 101 here and kind of took some back roads, not back roads, we took Canaan Road back off of Highway 1, Canaan Road to 101, and we're gonna be getting to the 101 here very soon and heading home. My butt hurts, dude. Too bad I don't have that settlement scene. Totally could have broken it in today. Nah. That was a ride with the Los Angeles Litas, and we are now on the 101 heading home. I should have zipped up Mojo's backpack. I did not. Mistakes were made. It's okay. He's tucked inside the backpack. I know that for sure. I just hope that little jacket is enough for him.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit the bell for notifications so that you can be notified anytime I upload videos. I post every Friday. And until the next one, guys, you stay safe out there in the wasteland.